Simba, we need to sleep now, okay, baby? Simba! Oi! Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So, as you can see, I have Simba here with me today, and yeah, it's his introduction video basically because it's been a month almost we got him, and since then I've not been able to make a video with him because he's so hyper in the morning time and the daytime. That's why I just won't be able to shoot right now. He's so calm and composed, and he's actually sitting or maybe sleeping. Maybe? No. Okay, so here is my dog, Simba. Say hi. Say hi. He's my dog, Simba, and he basically his breed is a Cocker Spaniel. So the idea behind getting him was mainly because of my best friend. So me and my brother wanted a dog since 3-4 years back, and my parents weren't agreeing because my mom hates dogs. She's scared basically. Even I was scared, but then I got used to them and I love them now. So after that thing happened, we planned. So Anin, my best friend, got a dog just 2-3 days back before I got a dog. So Simba, basically Simba's brother, that is Anin's dog, his name is Dash and his name is Simba. So I was so excited, and when I called the breeder, he said that only one is left, and I was like, I need him anyhow. So we went and got him the very next day itself, and yeah, I'm going to show you a video after this about how I got him and the day we got him and everything, and how we got his puppy stuff and all that kind of stuff. So I'm so excited to make him a member of my family. And isn't he so cute? Isn't he cute? Say hi. Say hi. Okay, he's too sleepy right now. I think it was a bad time. He's very sleepy. But yeah, Simba, say hi. Hello. Okay, so till now though बहुत कुछ होता है कुत्ते खरीदने से, बहुत responsibilities बढ़ जाती है, but you know, they are the blessing. He is a Cocker Spaniel and he is a golden in color, darkish golden, but Anin का वाला थोड़ा सा lightish golden पे है. तो we made them meet also, so I'll link in the video also where we made them meet and everything. So yeah, so meet my new dog, my first puppy, Simba, and I hope you guys will love him. You'll see many more things in my channel regarding him. Basically, Simba, what happened, baby? So he's so sleepy. He's dozing on me. So you'll see many things. You can go and follow the page Dash and Simba, which I've created on Instagram. It's basically for Dash and Simba, and do follow that page and do stay tuned. I keep on posting random puppy stuff over there. So yeah, so I'll make you guys meet him soon again. So he'll be on my vlog, so most probably. So now he's too sleepy to actually be in my video, but it was an introduction video. He's 2 months old right now, so he's gonna turn 3 months in around in 10-20 more days. Finally we got him, and yeah, so now you'll see the video which will be linked over here. Hi guys, what's up? So welcome back to my channel, and today is the day which we have been waiting since 2 years. So finally we are gonna go get our puppy home. Ignore that. Okay. Phone ready, uncle.
Nice ringtone, huh?
So now we're gonna first do some pet shopping because we have nothing at home.
Yep.
Because obviously it's our first pet, and I am so excited.
Same here.
So okay. Stop. So we've reached the pet shop, and now we're gonna go and what is this? No, no,
We
no.
can
It's
take
too
that.
tiny. It's too
Oh,
tiny.
yeah.
This one, no?
Yeah, that's all.
Oh,
So here we got all the stuff, and I am so excited to see the dog for the first time, and obviously it is a big deal. So we got all the items, and now we're going to be going. You want lage? Ek second dhara.
sure. Okay.
Finally, we're gonna get it, and I'm so excited.
Hype.
It is a hype. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's fine. Now it's like we went to the puppy the place. Now the owner said that he took the puppy to meet his family. So we're going to go to the owner's house now to pick it up, and I do not think we'll be able to shoot at his house because obviously it is a little bit of privacy. It's a little bit of privacy, so I think we'll kind of like wait for that, and let's see how it goes about. I'm so excited. So here's my baby. Look at him, baby. Look there. Ah.
He's so adorable. Hey,
Oh, yo. Ah. We need to get you all this stuff now. Finally, we are here with this baby, and look at him.
It's very dark, okay, human.
Just look at him. Isn't he so cute? So basically he's a Cocker Spaniel. Oh my baby. And then he just
Tell.
Isn't he so cute? He's 2 months old, and he's such a cutie. So Simba is finally sleeping, and oh my god, it was such a tough time making him sleep also. But yeah, he's finally sleeping. So that was the video, guys. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys loved Simba in my journey. Oh, so I hope he's in every video of mine, and yeah, he's a cutie. So Simba, say bye bye now. Say bye. Bye.